So I just went on a walk and I was like, you know what, I should probably check the mailbox because I ordered some stuff on Amazon and it came. So I'm like really excited. But yeah, I'm gonna unbox it really quickly. Okay, here's the box. I'm so excited. Okay. I think I need scissors. Okay, hold on, I need scissors. I can't find scissors and I'm too excited, so I'm gonna use a knife. Oh my gosh! Ah! Okay, so... Okay, I'm so excited. So if you don't know yet, I watched the film After the other day and I really liked it. So I wanted to read the books. And I ended up going to the store and I bought this book. This version has exclusive material included. So I bought this book and I'm reading it. So I wanted to order the rest of the books and it doesn't come in a box set at Indigo or the bookstore near me. So I had to order it on Amazon and it just came in. I was worried that it wasn't going to come in time. In all honesty, okay, when I was watching the film, I read the genre of the film and it said that the film was a thriller and drama. So I immediately thought, when I first saw Hardin on screen, or Hero, I thought, okay, this is gonna be some like psycho thing, like he's gonna be a stalker, he's gonna probably murder some people. But it was not what I expected. It was actually really good though, I really liked it. I'm excited, and I know Hero, who is the actor that was casted for Hardin, he is doing the audio for the last chapter in this book. I'm gonna try and see if I can find it and listen to it, but so far I've been able to read it without any problems because it's not that difficult of a read for me. So I'm gonna talk more about it once I finish it. I think I'm gonna finish it and talk about it later in this video. And like, okay, you know what? No, I'm not gonna say anything else. I'm gonna finish the book and then I'll tell you guys my thoughts. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, remove lid, okay. There. We want it regular. Okay, well, I selected it.
Is it broken too?
I don't know.
Remove cup and enjoy.
Can we get a little help here?
We're selecting the button, but it's not working.
Oh man.
Okay, you want more? Yeah, I know.
Okay, less
thick?
Yeah. Okay, it should be done now. Okay.
No, it's descending for no reason.
You're rude. Okay.
Excuse me, is it done?
I'm waiting. Okay.
Grab your straw, I guess.
Okay. Oh, the AC is blasting.
How does it taste like cotton candy, but also so much like cream?
Is it weird that I don't taste the cotton candy?
Yes, it's weird.
It's a nice color though.
There's no pink, it's blue.
I think it's just blue.
Here, it's gonna move.
Mm-mm. Oh no, it is!
I told you!
Oh my god. My teeth are so blue! This is good, but it doesn't taste like cotton candy. It just tastes like ice cream. Oh my god. He literally just wanted to go outside and then it started pouring and he got scared. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I just finished reading After. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's all I can say. Wow. That was incredible. Okay, I need to think about what I want to say before I actually talk to you guys. So I know I'm gonna have to talk to you guys about After, but I'm gonna start reading After We Collided because I want to read this series. I'm so excited. This thing just randomly started playing. That's like the plot, that's like the beginning of a horror movie. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, I can't stop smiling. Okay, so I just finished reading After. It was so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so when I watched the film, I was like, you know what? Why not give it a shot? It was 12 a.m. and I read the description, I read the genre, and the genre said like drama, thriller. So I was like, okay, let's watch it. So as soon as I put it on, there was a scene where Tessa looked at Hardin and he gave this like really intimidating look. And I thought that the film was gonna be about him like murdering people and stuff. I didn't know it was gonna be a love story. So I thought that was really interesting how I walked in thinking about something else, but it actually didn't play out that way. And then as soon as I finished the film, I was like, you know what? I need to read the book. So I tried to look for the box set, but I didn't find any luck on Indigo, which is the bookstore near me. So I ended up ordering it on Amazon. But I did go to Indigo to pick up the book with exclusive material, which I think is just an extra chapter. I didn't read the original book, I just read this one. So I think it's just the extra chapter, which is Hardin's point of view of the bet and that last scene, which I thought was amazing. I thought that the book really tied in really well at the end. And I'm on the second book right now. And I kid you not, I'm 200 pages in, 212 pages in right now. It's so good. I like it. When I started reading After We Collided, I thought that it flowed really nicely and I didn't think that it was like too boring or too filler. So far it's good. I'm looking at my notes right now and I'm looking at how I was writing notes while I was reading the book and I wrote toxicity though, because like Hardin and Tessa, they have such like a toxic relationship, but like I love it even though I know it's bad. But he's trying and she's trying, and I guess that's all that matters. The last sentence in this book, Hardin's last sentence, that hit me. Oh my gosh, it was so good though. I just like I love it. I love it so much. And another thing I really liked from the book was I liked how she wrote in the songs by The Fray or Florence and the Machine, and it just took me back to that time when I used to listen to that music, which was kind of a nostalgic feeling because I'm reading this in 2019 when she wrote the book in 2014. So going back to the film, I know that the book I'm really glad that I read the book because it has a lot more detail in it, and I understand that the film is only an hour and a half long. You can't possibly fit every single detail from this book into the film and, you know, make it flow within the amount of minutes that you're given. So like, no hate on that. I understand how they have to cut it down and change some of the things in order to make it flow, and I really like the film and I really like the books and I can't wait to finish. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, can you see the cat in the background? He's too bored of me. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, I'll see you later. He is coming. Come say bye.